Byddwn ni in Penzance rhag gwl meisi hag mamira diws obma arta ha diwetha y ffith Cernywegfa Dardig y ffydd ni ena.
Neil Cerdas hes yn stret in Penzance, ha Shakia Dula gans tiws, ha leferol dith da, fel ran an Gernywegfa, ha ginwedd o mors the Lies Stal in wedd, ag Caels of the Dews, Orth and Stala, ag a Toma Neba Gwyddio, Loveday o Caels o the Nebonin in Keva Prena Cantolio.
Did you dag Enes at all? Where?
Melon. Gwelw gan fi Ruth.
Na, gweld you're going to be Ruth Douglas, I've Ragnadelic.
Cleanser gan with Ruth.
And you nebys gwan Douglas. Nebys gwyn. Rhea Wyn.
Well, this start to everyone.
Oh,
Mirage.
If there's a quid and Gernywegfa Dardig, if they'll fatal o hedna.
Per coin toss.
Prague.
Was it as a resident Kozel Gans Pobl in Stress in Nagos Kernoek? Per Strenju the Gozel Gans Pobl Nagos Kernoek.
Hag Esa o clapio genes to G o leverel nepith the girl.
There's a nebes o das leverel did da fat the genes. Newodians fat all fat the genes. That's per coin as flannel.
Hag o da genes gil hedna?
Drog.
No, they didn't want to shake my hand.
Although hedno dydd musi hag Marthas da o gweles mer gyrnoec a dead dro hag Kelsel gans nebys Cernywegorion in wedd.